Welcome back. We've got Chef Anthony in studio this morning, and we are making frog legs today. So excited about this.
I was so excited. The kids asked me yesterday, what are you doing? And I said, just call me Doc Hoppa. And none of them caught the reference. I almost cried. So I have my frog legs. And what I've done is I've gone ahead and separated them so I have the individual legs, and I have some zucchini and squash because I really like fried zucchini and squash.
Why not?
So we're going to get those ready to go. And we have our breading station set up that we did earlier. We have our seasoned flours and our egg wash. Remember, the egg wash is just eggs violently whipped together and then add water to them to kind of thin them out a little bit. All it's for is to help the second layer of batter stick to the protein.
Do you always violently whip your eggs together?
Yes.
Okay.
I take out all my frustrations on the eggs.
I'd never heard that phrase before when referring to whipping your eggs violently.
Yes, violence
still
in
in
the
the bowl.
eggs. Correct. So we've got to make sure you get that air in there. So what we'll do is I have my oil going, and you can see I'm starting to get a little bit of wispy smokes coming off the top of it, so I know I'm almost at temperature. So I'm going to start with my frog legs.
And we're double breading it this morning.
Yes.
I like that.
And shake off the excess. Now keep one hand is going to be for your to handle your wet frog legs.
Yeah, otherwise you're just going to be dipping back in your...
Well, you're going to end up with giant monster fingers. So we don't want to do that. And here I have my first one ready to go. And I'm going to get a couple of these good and ready before we start putting them in to fry. I probably should have put some
gloves on to help you, but I'll just watch this morning.
That'll work. We don't want to get you all dirty for later.
Are you going to bread your zucchini as well, or just?
Yes, we're going to bread our zucchini and squash, and I've cut it nice and thin. And here I said keep one hand out, and I went ahead and did it anyway.
If you don't go catching your own frogs to make frog legs, where can you find these?
Simon Market has these. These are beautiful frog legs. There's a lot of meat on them, and I believe I got 4 frogs for $7.
Wow.
Which is a really good price.
Yeah, I'm surprised.
You can do, and I like frog legs every once in a while, and I like to pick on my daughter a little bit. I took her when she was younger, much younger. She's 21 now. When she was about 8, I took her to a Chinese buffet, and she made a big, giant, mounded thing of frog legs on her plate.
Did she know what they were?
She didn't know what they were. She thought they were little chicken legs.
Yeah, tastes like chicken, right?
And she sat there and ate them all, and I told her, I said, how were those frog legs? She goes, that wasn't frog. She goes, that was chicken. And I said, no, those were frog legs. And she kind of smirked down and shrunk down into her chair. She was so embarrassed. She thought it was wrong. She didn't know what she'd eaten. She was going through the Miss Piggy is the queen of all things stage.
Aww.
So it was kind of, to me, I thought it was rather humorous. She still hasn't
I'm pretty
forgiven
sure
me.
if Miss Piggy had the opportunity, she'd eat frog legs too.
Oh yeah, I'm pretty sure she would. So, and I'm getting my vegetables ready to go. A little bit, and they're going to do them the exact same way.
Okay.
And zucchini and squash, I feel, work the best for this. You can do frog. You can do carrots. You can do green beans. Green beans turn out really well this way.
Ooh.
So, but cut them nice and thin.
Basically, whatever produce you can get fresh works
Exactly.
best, right?
Fresh produce works really good with this. And as always, our friends over at Martinez took really good care of me to give me some really good stuff. I'm very excited. I even tried to fry watermelon yesterday.
Really?
To try to see how it would come out.
How did it turn out? Okay, so Martinez offers these box specials.
Correct,
Where
and
you
those
can
are
pick
what I
between
use.
fruit or veggie, or they offer a combo one. They offer a keto box, like different options of mixed produce, which is a really great idea if you're thinking about for summer, because you've maybe you're a parent that's relied on the school district too long to make sure your kids get their veggies and their
don't forget
their fruits and veggies and stuff. So you need to think healthy for the summer.
You do.
For sure.
And don't forget that the schools offer the summer lunch programs.
Yes, they do.
So that will help out for those who need. Just come in and bring the kids in.
Yes.
And the ladies at the high school will take very good care of you. Chef Monica is probably one of the most talented chefs I've ever dealt with. Her imagination is crazy.
Do you know when that starts up for the summer? Or?
I am not sure,
I
but I will know.
it's posted on the USD 250's website.
And
you just go under
I'll ask her today and
website.
find out and let you know next week.
Okay, cool.
So I have a good assortment of our veggies going. I have all my
most of the
veggies.
schools offer that the breakfast and
I believe
offer
they
the
do.
meals, so.
But if you had a choice, I would say go see Chef Monica.
Okay, cool.
So I have a good assortment of our veggies going. I have all my veggies.
That
I believe they do.
sounds good.
I love her. Her
get there, yeah.
imagination is just wonderful.
That's awesome.
So I eat in there every chance I get. One, it's cheaper than going out to a restaurant to eat. Two, she makes so much stuff inside there, and her talent and her skills are just wonderful.
Kids don't know what they have.
That's right. And our frog legs are already starting to sizzle up and getting really good and starting to turn golden brown. I'm going to throw in our vegetables.
Okay. How long does it take to cook a frog leg at medium heat like this?
3 or 4 minutes.
Okay. Not too bad.
Yeah, not too bad at all.
Okay, so now that we've got everything in there, let's go ahead and go to break, and then when we come back, we'll check out. They should be finishing up pretty quickly, so finish up our frog legs. I'm excited to try them out.
I am too.
All right, we will be right back.